Myself Ranjita. I am a BE first year, a teacher trainee of KLE Society's College of Education, Ankola.
Science experiment.
Name of the experiment, lava lamp experiment. For this experiment, required materials are
Vinegar, 1 glass, food color, baking soda, vegetable oil.
Take 1 glass and add 2 spoons of baking soda and oil is poured into the glass. And then add vinegar.
Oil is not mixed with vinegar. Why? Because when two liquids are added into the glass, the liquid that is less denser will rise to the top. Oil floats above vinegar because oil is less denser than vinegar.
Then add food color.
Density of food color and vinegar is almost the same. It is mixed with vinegar and settled at the bottom of the glass. The reaction is started inside the glass. One more thing, in case of lava lamp reaction stops, keep adding more baking soda. What is the reason behind it? Sodium bicarbonate, that means baking soda, acetic acid, that means vinegar. These both are mixed together and to form sodium acetate and also form water and carbon dioxide gas. Carbon dioxide gas as a byproduct. This gas forms bubbles. In this experiment, you will see how density and polarity, when they are powered by the release of gas, cause a reaction between baking soda and vinegar. Uses of lava lamp. Lava lamp have a variety of uses, including decoration. Lava lamps are a popular items for home and offices. They can be used to add a touch of whimsy and fun to any room. Nightlight. Lava lamps are also popular as a nightlights for children and adults alike.
Thank you for watching.